James Farrer here from Internet Biz Uni, and in this video I'm going to show you where to enter your homepage meta title and your homepage meta description. These are very important for your SEO, so I'm just going to show you where you can find that. So if you go into your admin area and then you come down here, click on online store, and then out of all the options that populate underneath online store, you click the bottom one, which is preferences. Now when this loads up, you'll see your title and meta description areas here. So an example of what I'd put in place here is Internet Biz Uni, and then in the bottom area here, it's more of a story to do with what exactly you do and the keywords that you would use to describe it. So you're trying to focus on words that your customers would search for when looking for your type of product or your type of service, depending on the case. Now in this one, you should use as many of the 320 characters as you can. And another little trick is in the homepage title area, what I do is I put in more content after the site name. So I'd put in, for example, for your internet, for your online sale needs, we'll say, for just as a little example. So I'm getting more keywords into my homepage title, and then in the bottom area then as well, your homepage meta description, that has to be a story. So now I'm going to show you where people actually will see this. Where is this taking effect? So we'll go to Google here, and I've searched for Internet Biz Uni, and you can see here Internet Biz Uni, the title is here, and then the content to do with the website, so the description is here. So what I can do then is, in this case, because we have the meta description already done, you can put that in place in here, and we can do a quick save, and that's it. Now if you want more videos like this and you want to get them directly to you, just subscribe to Internet Biz Uni.